I look like a thumb right now. I just took the dogs on a walk with my boyfriend Sam. I'm in the kitchen cooking right now, so I figured I would show you what I'm cooking. So I'm doing some sort of twice bake sweet potato buffalo chicken deal. I'm being really lazy, so I am first cooking my potatoes. This is awfully, I'm trying to do this and film at the same time. Cooking my potatoes in the microwave first. These are really big potatoes, so I'm thinking about 8 minutes per side, just coated in olive oil and salt and pepper. Over here, I've diced up some green peppers. Wow, not green peppers, green onions for topping them when they're finished. These are 3 of the ingredients I'm going to start off with for the inside mixture. Once I scoop the potatoes, we've got some cream cheese, some Moore's Original Buffalo Wing Sauce, and some Hidden Valley Ranch. And over here, I've got some chicken sauteing that I'm going to shred and mix into the buffalo sour cream cheese mix. This is what I topped the chicken with, just salt, pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. So I've already chopped up some Havarti cheese. It's just Havarti from Trader Joe's. And then now I'm gonna chop up the chicken that I'm gonna mix into the mix. Okay, my chicken is chopped. I'm gonna cut my potatoes in half and then scoop the insides out of them. All in all, my potatoes were in the microwave for about 15 minutes, and they are nice and gooey, which is how I wanted them. Nice and soft. I'm preheating the oven right now to 400. I have no idea why I picked 500 or 400. I just went for it. Sounded good. I've already put a couple scoops of cream cheese. I didn't measure it. You'll start to find out that I don't measure anything when it comes to cooking. I just went for it. So it's about 3.5 spoonfuls of cream cheese. Okay, so I've got my sweet potato and my cream cheese. Now I'm going to add the chicken and the Havarti. Now I'm just going to eyeball it and add some ranch dressing. Moore's. Moore's says that it's gluten-free, kosher, no MSG. The only allergen it seems to contain is soy. We've got our mix. It kind of looks like buffalo chicken dip, which is what I was going for. And now I am going to spoon it back into our shells. Last thing I'm going to do is top it off with a little mozzarella and all right. here's the before. You just heard the oven is preheated. I'll see you in a few.